Hello, my name is Rod Bates and I'm the owner of Koinonia Guide Service. On behalf of our staff and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for fishing with us. It is our mission at Koinonia Guide Service to provide you a safe, educational, productive, and memorable experience while exposing you to God's wonderful creation. We see God's great power in the fact that He's created the Susquehanna River, and we see His goodness to us in the fact that He gives us the time, the ability, and the opportunity to enjoy this wonderful creation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for choosing Koinonia Guide Service. Hi guys.
Hello.
We got Ellie, we got Art, and we got Sarah. What's the plan?
Catch
Catch fish?
fish.
All right, that's the goal. Water temperature dropped. You can see the fog in the water. We'll do the best we can. Hopefully the Lord will bless us with some good fish today. Okay, Sarah, where you at with the net?
I need the net. Where is it?
It's beside Grandpa.
Okay, Grandpa, give me the net.
There he goes. Let's go.
Sorry.
That's a good one to start out the morning there.
Oh, that's a real good fish right there. Don't lift it all the way up.
Don't you fall in, girl. All right, step back slowly. Very good. Nice teamwork, guys. Okay, you gotta pull the pliers apart. There's Ellie letting our first one go back. Go, fishy, go. There he goes. Hey, Sarah, are you having fun?
Yes, I am.
Atta girl. Okay, take your rod that way upriver. Okay, here comes the net, girl. Let's see how we do here. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's really a nice fish there.
Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Go, Sarah. Let's see how Ellie does for you. You got to slide. Put the net in the water. Let her slide the fish right in. Come on, team. Come on, team. Couple more cranks. Couple more cranks, Ellie. Or Sarah. Okay, raise them up to the net. Raise the net. Raise the net. Drop him in the net.
Okay.
Come on, teamwork. I think next time we'll put the net person in the back of the boat. You don't have to reel anymore, just raise him up. Raise the net. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
There we go.
All right, good job, team. Okay, so bring that fish in here. Fast, real fast. I think he might have just got off. Keep reeling, real. Nope, you still got him.
Yeah.
See, I got it down low, right? There you go.
There you go. Excellent teamwork. Nice job, guys. Got Pap in the action here. All right.
Yeah.
You love it when a plan comes to the ladder. Lord's blessings. We got 1 fish, 2 fish, and 3 fish. Keep them off the boat. Keep them off the boat. One rod not fishing, 2 rods not fishing, 3 rods not fishing. This will be the 4th rod. Nobody fishing. That's a good problem to have. Okay. Just swing them right up here.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Put his head in the water. Sometimes they'll leave go quicker. Twist your pliers slowly.
Yeah, there you go. Shake him a little. Shake the pliers a little. There you go.
He don't want to leave go.
There we go. There we go.
There he goes.
Did it.
Excellent. All right, put them down here and I'll get some rods baited up. Now we have an anchor in the water by your feet. We don't want to get tangled in that anchor.
Yep. Don't fall in.
Yeah, don't fall in. It's too cold. I know other times you've been here, we actually went swimming.
Yeah, I know, but not to...
Down at, what we call Pyramid Island down there.
We made a pyramid.
We made a couple pyramids. All right, guys.
Yeah,
Great job.
we drove past and
Yeah.
I think it was Ellie said something about it.
All right.
Yeah, it's much too cold.
Step on back here, Ellie. got this one, and now Ellie's hooked up. Busy, busy.
5? Holy mackerel.
Yeah, single, triple, and a single. Nice job, guys.
All
Getting
right.
better at this. Step on back and don't fall in, Sarah. A little further back here to me. Nice fish.
Here's yours. Oh, you want
You always get the ones that want to hold on. There he goes.
that? Well, I'll tell you what.
How
you're
big
at,
is he?
21 and a half.
Nice. 24 is an angler award.
Yeah. One of them has one of them.
Well, the
Get that
water's
off?
warm.
He won't leave go either. There he goes.
Frank. Frank.
I'm trying to.
We did have one go overboard this year, a young girl.
Did you? Well,
I was able to snag it though and get it back. We just
Put your
drifted
hand
back
further
about
up
20
on it.
yards, and a couple minutes we're hooked up again.
there you go. And that'll give you more leverage. Bring it around.
At least you're keeping it out of the other lines. That's good.
You're doing a good job.
This might be the bigger one of the day so far.
That's a nice fish. Oh, Lordy. Oh, yeah.
Ah, you're gaining on them?
Hey, you're getting it.
Here, fishy. Oh, that's a big one. What do you got to beat? 21 and a half. Ellie's got a 21 and a half. We'll see.
Put it down in the water. Both hands there, Ellie.
Thank you.
Oh, might beat it.
Oh, nice job, guys. Okay, everybody back up slowly. I'll take the net. We'll just lay him across here like this. Oh, good hookup. We just made a move. We got one rod out, and before I got the second rod out, the fish bit on.
Yep.
Ellie hooked up. Sarah with the call, outside left. Very nice.
Yeah, better than Grandpa.
Grandpa was still going ooh and ah. Another good fish, guys.
All right, that's another good fish.
Whoa,
Oh, don't
that was
fall
close.
Oh,
Why don't you go? There you go.
good. Now down low.
Raise the rod tip up. Oh, whoa, swing and a miss. Strike one.
Try it again.
Come on, Ellie, bring more out.
Down
He's
low,
under you.
down low, down low.
Ah, nice job, guys. Way to go, Ellie. That's a good one. Okay, let me lift this one up.
Please do that.
I'm trying. Hold on.
Reeling, keep reeling.
I am.
Okay, I gotta come under you. You keep reeling. I think we're clear.
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
Well, no, I'm not.
Okay, Ellie, why don't you go behind Sarah this time?
Okay.
See if that works better for netting. Just go to the back of the boat, Ellie.
Yeah. There you go. And now it'll come in.
Oh, that's a smaller one.
That's a smaller one. Yeah, we don't need to measure this one. Don't lift it out. Let it drift in. There you
There you
go.
go.
Good
All right,
job.
wind up some, Sarah. Okay, you two step back towards me.
You can net on this side. Yeah.
All right, excellent. One fish, two fish. Keep them coming, Ellie, keep them coming. Fish, getting bit. Oh, never mind, they're tangled, they're tangled. All right, we drifted back about 20 feet and hooked up again.
Well, you gotta bring it in, or you
Sarah
gotta
had
play
to
with
stop
it
from her
there?
snack so she could bring in a fish. Reel, 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 reel. Ooh.
That's a pretty good sized fish.
There you go. Now you got a
Now
system.
you got it.
So I'm gonna show you something on how to reel here.
Kids doesn't have the arm strength.
These fish are a little big for her.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, a little bit more.
A little bit more. There you go.
Good teamwork. Way to go, guys. Another one in the boat. Nice.
All right. It's a great fish and fun to catch.
Seriously. You gotta get off the...
They don't want to leave you go. You always have them ones that want to hang on, Sarah. They like
Yeah,
you.
I don't know.
I am the fish
Just rotate.
whisperer.
The fish whisperer.
There you go. Wrong, that guy.
Here comes Sarah in for the scoop.
Pretty fresh fish, yeah.
He's spunky.
Yeah, that's a spunky one.
What are you
Get it
two
in,
doing?
Bring it in closer.
You shouldn't have to. Don't reel anymore.
Don't reel anymore. Just bring it in closer. Yeah.
Sarah, what are you doing?
Ellie, just lift him right to me. Bring him right in here. There you go. All the way from the right to the left. Way to go, Sarah. That was a nice job. Didn't get tangled at all. Don't get your hair in that reel. That could hurt.
Yeah, good. Okay, pay attention.
She's reeling better now.
Yes, she is. That's much better.
Much improved.
Okay, quit right there.
Don't reel anymore. Excellent. Nice teamwork. Okay, Ellie, you gotta bring the net to me. Lay it across. Oh, never mind. I'll just get him this way. Got it. Way to go, girls. Outside left, outside left. We got a double going here. All right, Pop, you're gonna have to do the up. Keep coming. Go fast, go fast, go fast. Ellie's coming right at you. Okay, you got that. All right. All right, we just made a move. Got 4 rods out and it didn't take long. Got a double.
Quit reeling. There you go.
Excellent. Okay.
Where are you at? Bring it over here. Don't let it get in them rods. There you go.
Much better at reeling, Sarah. You're doing great. Don't worry about netting this one. We'll try to
Yeah.
take him by hand. All right, another nice double. 1, 2, and a 3. I think you're clear. Nah, you're tangled. Let him get in the anchor.
Too late.
Ah, look what Grandpa did. All right, I'll have to come back and help you. Hey, girls, can you back up so I can get in there? Another triple being released. There was 1 away,
There.
2 away, 3 away. Thank you, Lord. Great morning. Here comes the net, girl. Oh, are they getting tangled?
Nope.
I think so. Yep, they're tangled. I was untangling and they didn't even need me. Look at this, they got another one in the boat.
Oh, wait.
Be careful, Ellie. Let me take care of that for you. Fast,
Yeah,
fast.
Keep going. Keep going. It's coming
He's
at you.
coming at you. There you got caught up.
Okay, don't do any more.
Look, these guys getting better at this. Okay, everybody step back towards me. Take up some slack there, Ellie. Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Okay, good job, guys. Tough workout this morning here for Ellie.
Yeah, poor girl's exhausted. How's your wrist feeling? Is it okay? Okay, just check. Put that in there.
There's the sudden impact. Only bait you need for channel cats.
There's a fact.
Just drifted back and it worked again. Okay, I need to come underneath you for a second. Don't let him get in the boat. Easy. Okay.
That's good. Quit.
Don't reel anymore. Just raise them up. Nice job. Okay.
Good job.
Right to me. Don't reel anymore. Just bring the net back in the boat. Got him.
Yeah, she was moving.
Got one bite in here. Nope. Here comes the net girl. Sorry to interrupt your nap, Sarah.
Oh,
He's
poor
napping.
thing.
Ellie's like, when I land this, I can take a nap. Are they getting tangled? Nope.
I don't know. Keep it over there if you can.
I think we're all
That
right,
might have
yeah.
been a bite.
Could have been.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Okay, don't reel it.
Yeah, don't reel anymore.
Now you can reel them a couple more cranks.
Okay.
That ought to be enough.
There you go.
There you go,
Good
guys.
job.
I think we're gonna make a move. We're catching them, but it's a little slow. Reel, 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 reel. All right, you got them.
Fish. Okay, try to keep it over to your right, honey.
Keep it out of them other lines.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
You're fine. You're fine.
Oh, yeah.
It's all wrapped around him. He lassoed
Yeah,
himself.
don't crank anymore, man.
Up there, he broke free. Got to get him in the net here. It's might be big fish of the
That's a
day.
big fish of the day if you can get him in.
Ellie, you have to.
Okay.
Ellie's like, oh, swing and a miss. Strike one. Oh,
on,
strike
put it
two.
Ellie.
There you go.
There. All right, in.
Strike three. You're out. Come on.
Come on, fish. You're being
I don't think
funny.
Ellie wants you to catch that one.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I don't think the net wants to. Come on, fish. Please. There.
Good fish, guys.
That's a good
Okay, walk
fish.
back towards me. But I think it's new big fish of the day. Oh, that could be an Angler Award fish.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Well,
There's the big fish of the day, 23.5 inch going back. Half inch off Angler Award. Thank you, Lord.
nice fish.
Side left's going too.
Go, go, go.
All right, we got a double.
We have a double. Where
Here
we
comes the net
need
girl.
The net first.
Oh, I would say Ellie.
Okay.
Okay, you guys set a new record for yourselves. Good job.
We haven't caught it yet.
Oh, that's true. I have faith in you, though.
Into the net,
Couple more cranks on him there,
though.
Art.
Here we go. Net.
There's one in. Just swing him right up to me, Art.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay. Way to go, guys. Another double.
All right.
She's hilarious.
We can quit with this
Okay.
right there. That makes them eat.
Well, I'll start to put them away.
All right.
It cannot be even. I must be
Well, keep watching. You might get one.
here.
Aren't you going to net this fish? Or what?
No. Oh, yeah, Ellie, grab the net already. I'm not going to net it every
We weren't sure if you were going to net her big one.
Yeah, that big one, you were really hesitant about that.
I did. I was trying to net it, okay?
Yeah, I think you are actually. Don't crank anymore.
Alright, get on Close.
We
There.
got it. All right, girls. Good job.
Come on.
Net girl. Okay. We were just cleaning up, and we got another one coming in.
This one will put me one ahead.
That's okay. She's
You
got
have the most, and she's got the
one.
biggest. That works out
That
well.
works out really well. Don't get me wet.
Bring it around to make it easier for her. Alright.
lose it.
You gotta bring it in. There we go.
Them little ones you can do that with.
Right to me?
A little.
Okay. Good job, girls. Great day.
All right.
Outside right, outside right.
I told you.
Get it.
I think he might have just got off.
Oh, he got off.
Yes.
Great.
All right, we had a wonderful day. I'll
Yeah.
talk first. I got 3 fish.
A vast majority of them.
And Sarah got the biggest one at...
At 23.5 inches.
Half-inch off of an angler award.
Yep.
And I got the most fish, which is 13 fish. And I got 12 fish, with a total of 28.
We
Which
had
beats our record of 24.
and we had a beautiful, wonderful
Yes.
day.
Yes, it was awesome.
So, the question is, what's more fun, video games or fishing?
Video games.
Ah! Boo! Boo!
Fishing every
But,
day.
are you coming back next year?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Next
good.
year we'll be here.
All right, well, thanks for fishing with Koinonia. See you guys. It's always a joy to have you. Okay, we got to wrap it up, head into the ramp, and get ready for the next trip. We're going to do a 8-hour combo trip. We'll go for channels first and then flatheads.